Hey, welcome back, English Explorers. I'm your host, Sophie Lane, and today I've got something really special for all you brilliant beginners out there who are serious about stepping up your English game. Now, this isn't your usual watch movies and read books episode. Nope. Today, we're diving into real-world advanced strategies that are actually designed for learners who want fast progress and long-term fluency. So, grab your notebook, or not. You'll want to remember this stuff anyway. Segment 1. Think in English, rewiring your brain. Sophie, let's kick things off with something that sounds simple but is super powerful. Thinking in English. Now wait, I don't mean translating from your native language to English. That's slow. That's a trap. What I mean is, build the habit of forming thoughts directly in English. Quick exercise. Next time you look around your room, name 5 things in English and say something about them. This is my desk. It's messy. I should clean it. Simple, right? But you're training your brain to make English your default operating system. Segment 2. Create your English persona. Sophie, here's a fun one. And a total game changer. Make an English-speaking version of yourself. That's right. Create a you who lives in English. Give her or him a name if you want. This persona can be bolder, more confident, maybe even a bit dramatic. Why? Because language is emotional. The more you act like a fluent speaker, the faster you become one. Record yourself speaking as your English persona, even if you sound silly at first. That's where real growth happens. Segment 3. Use looping. Smart repetition. Sophie, you've heard that repetition is key, right? But here's the upgrade. Don't repeat blindly. Use looping. How it works. Listen to a short audio clip, like a podcast or YouTube short. Repeat the first sentence, trying to match tone and rhythm. Listen again. Add the next sentence. Repeat both. Keep looping until you master the full paragraph. This technique is used by language learners at the CIA. Yep, serious stuff. Segment 4. Talk to AI. Seriously. Sophie, you have a 24/7 English partner in your pocket, and you probably didn't even realize it. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Bard to practice conversations. Type, let's role play. You're a tourist, I'm the guide. Or, correct my grammar as I write a paragraph. AI won't judge you. It's perfect for practicing fluency, accuracy, and confidence. Segment 5. Shadow Netflix with the subtitles off. Sophie, now here's a spicy one. Watch a scene from your favorite English series and mimic the actors without subtitles. It's called shadowing. Repeat what they say as they say it. Why this works? You copy real pronunciation and rhythm. You pick up native expressions naturally. You build speaking muscles. Like singing practice. Start with 5 to 10-second clips. Pause. Repeat. Own it. Segment 6. Be obsessed with phrasal verbs and idioms. Sophie, want to sound instantly more fluent? Get comfortable with phrasal verbs and idioms. I'm not talking about learning a list. I'm talking about using them in your daily speaking. Say, I'm worn out instead of, I'm very tired. Say, let's wrap this up instead of, let's finish. Advanced speakers don't use fancy words. They use natural ones. Create a phrase of the day challenge for yourself and actually use it that day. Segment 7. Speak for 2 minutes every day. Sophie. Final tip. And this one changed my students' lives. Set a timer for 2 minutes. Talk nonstop in English every day. Talk about your day, a dream, a song you like, a problem you solved. No script, no help, just speak. If you mess up, good. That's how we get better. Record it. Listen back in a week. You'll be amazed how fast you grow. Wrap up. You don't need perfect English. You need courage. Sophie. Listen. Fluency doesn't come from knowing every grammar rule. It comes from boldness, daily practice, and making English part of your personality. Don't aim for perfect. Aim for progress. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. I'm right here with you every week. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Which tip will you try first? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep speaking, keep growing. I'm Sophie Lane, and you've been listening to the English Fluency Lab.